guys, in today's video we are going to check out why is this person running away from you. Okay, so I don't know what has gone wrong between you, or something may not have, nothing may have gone wrong between you, but still this person is running away from you and you want to find out the reason, what exactly is going on, why are they running away. Okay, so that is what we are going to check out. Now before we begin this video, this is like going to be a general reading, so yes, there could be a few things that will resonate with you, there will be a certain things that will not resonate with you. Whatever resonates you have to keep it, whatever does not resonate just let it go. Okay, and yes, this reading is going to be like a timeless reading. Anytime you open this video, coincidentally if you have come to this video, yes, you need to watch this video. There is going to be something that is going to be of value to you in this video. Okay, sharing with you something about myself. I am Preeti and I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, sharing this with you so that you know that you are in good hands. Okay, yes, I have reached like more than 50,000 people in last 19 years, so yes, that is that. Okay, so okay, like what's happening? Cards are too overexcited or overly impatient to give you the answer. Okay, so why is this person, yes, so we are actually going to see why is this person running away from you. Okay, why is this person running away from you? Why is this person running away from you? Okay, why is this person running away from you? Why is this person running away from you? Okay, why is this person running away from you? Yeah, not those many cards. Okay, why is this person running away from you? Okay, so yeah, so one more card. So let's see what is happening. Okay, few cards are peeping out and few cards are not, so let's see what all of these cards are. Okay, so first of all, yes, this is some sort of initiative they have taken. They are running away from you and they have initiated this. So what is this? What is this that we are talking about? So let's see. First let me just arrange all the cards so that we can see everything that's happening and I can guide you better way what's happening. Okay, so first of all, yes, this is some sort of initiation this person has taken. Initiative that they have taken is could be that yes, they have shown you some reaction to something. Okay, they are showing you, giving you a reaction to something that you recently did to them. Okay, that is one thing. The next card we have is this. They think that they are beginning from scratch. They are beginning from zero, which means if you were in a relationship, I don't know what sort of relationship you were in with this person, but yes, if you were in a relationship, this person already thinks that they have broken up and they have already restarted their life, yes, on the other end. Okay, so whatever is happening here, please make sure that you watch this entire reading, right? Because we are just going step by step about why this person is running away. The next card is, I think the way they were with you, how they were with you, they always felt that you were always trapping them. You were trapping them, you were suffocating them, you are not letting them do what they wanted. They were totally, not exactly dependent, I can't say that they were totally depending on you, but you were making them helpless. You were making them, yes, you were not letting them rely on themselves. You were not letting them make any decisions, which was suffocating, which they did not like. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. You know, now if I said this to you and you were a very loving partner, you could actually feel, oh my gosh, what made them feel this? See, sometimes if you are too loving to somebody and somebody is not ready to accept it, or you are too caring, you are too concerning for somebody, but they are not ready for that, they are not seeing that relationship in the same way like how you are seeing, then also they are going to feel this way. Okay, I don't know how exactly you behaved with them, but if all your intentions were good, then this is what is going on. Okay, the next card we have is, yes, there is uncertainty. They are uncertain about the relationship. They just don't know what is happening. They just don't know what exactly they should be doing, they should not be doing, and yes, this is what is their current situation. This is what is their current state of mind is. The next card we see here is this. Yes, they want to change their life. You know, they want to change their life. I think both of you were planning a future together, and because you were too possessive, you were too controlling. They just did not want that sort of future. So by running away from you, they have actually taken charge of their own future, and they have just thought that yes, they are trying to change their, yeah, change what is happening in their life. They change what is happening in their future. They are trying to control, put a control over that. Okay, the next is yes. I think even intimacy wise, did you force them? Or sometimes, sometimes this intimacy thing, it gets very personal, or it gets very weird, because the person who loves very intensely, they are just trying to be convincing, whereas the other person, if they have said no once, repeating it more than one, they will actually feel that they are being forced. Okay, so this could be that, this also could be something that you have done. Okay, so it was just getting too dark, so which is why I just had to turn on the lights. Okay, so yes, let's continue. And yes, this person also felt that, yes, they felt that, that it was sort of, not going against their wish. Whatever relationship was with you and that person, they just felt that it was not going in the right direction, it was not going with the right pace. Okay, maybe they just wanted to take it slow and you were too fast, or maybe they wanted to go it like too fast and you were like too slow. So which is what was going against their wish, going against their will. Also, being with you in the relationship, you made them do some things, you made them do a lot of things which could have gone against their will. Okay, or maybe you asked them a couple of things, that okay, let's do this, let's do that. Maybe you were planning about the future, and whatever you planned, that was something that was going against your wish, against their wish. And you may say, okay, but how is it that it went against their wish? They were agreeing to everything. See, they could have said no once, which could have gone unheard, which is why they felt that constantly it was things that was going against their will, which is why they are running away, right? Maybe running away also because whatever they were saying was going unheard. Okay, which is why yes, that this thing happened. So now let's see what does the universe want to tell you. Okay, because yes, whenever we have a reading like this, it is always important that you ask the universe what exactly you're supposed to do. Okay, so yes, what is it that we are supposed to do when this person is running away, right? Yes, you're supposed to know this, because you may feel, okay, do I follow that person, or do I just stand back and wait for them? Okay, so you could be thinking that. So let's see. Dear God, spirit guides, please guide my viewers. What is it that my viewers are supposed to do? What is it my viewers are supposed to do when this person is running away? What is it that my viewers are supposed to do when this person is running away? Okay, so here we have these cards. Okay, so first of all, we have yes, go outside, go out, and this could be time to go outside, tune into the powerful piece of nature wherever you are, feel at one with your habitat. Okay, so this actually clearly shows that you have to go out. Okay, and if that person agrees, try to go out with them. If they are not agreeing, this could be that you are staying too much indoors. This could be that you are getting too much screen time. Sometimes it happens that when you have too much of screen time, you are having too much of screen time, and you're having too much of yes, like you're too much into some bookish stuff, that you are not listening to, you're not able to listen to others. Yes, this is where it says go out in nature, mix with friends, mix with people, so that you exactly know how to interact with others. Okay, that is one thing. The next card we have is divination. Yes, divination is, if you feel that you were too serious about this person and you need to get some advice, then by all means, please take some reading, please take some guidance from somebody. You can take guidance from me as well. Okay, take either from me or from somebody, but yes, you need to take some further guidance. You know, this card is actually telling you. Then we have is the hidden card, hidden depth card. This card is actually telling you that, okay, hidden about something that was hidden about this person. Okay, that is going to come to light, that is going to come to you, perhaps a secret or a memory. Okay, some secret that this person was hiding, or some memory that you were not paying attention to for all these time. Yes, that is going to come to surface, and when we expose what's hidden, we become free. Yes, so this is what is going to come to surface. It could be anybody that they were hiding, it could be anybody that you have hidden in the depth of your mind, that is going to come to surface. Okay, so that also could answer you the question why this person is running away, why that person is staying away from you. Okay, the last card we have is this fish wisely. Okay, so yes, see, from all the cards that have come up, you know, first we saw the force card, then we saw the devil card, then we saw, you know, the card that they had to go against their will. It actually clearly shows that if that person is not showing any involvement with you, if they are running away from you, it could be that, you know, they could not tell you, they could not clearly express, because you could have cursed them, you could have said something to them, you could have, yes, you could have even like blurted out some bad words, and if that is how you reacted, you know, yes, I have seen a lot of people react like that when something bad happens to them. But yes, you need to make sure that you don't do that. Okay, wish wisely, because you know, whatever you wish, it's actually going to come back to you. So yes, so that is it, what the cards say. And yeah, so that is it for today's reading. I hope that this reading has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, try to share this video with others. I will see you again in the next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel, and let me know in the comments how much of this video resonates with you. And yes, if you want to get an additional reading about whatever this situation is, then by all means, you know, you can get a reading. But yes, getting a reading means you will have to book a consultation. Booking a consultation, it involves that, you know, you have to yes, you have to make a prepayment, and after that book a session. And if you want to get a numerology reading, yes, by all means, that it's available at a very cost effective price. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.